Fatima. How are you today? Oh, looks like you're watching some cartoons. Oh, is that your stomach? Oh, yeah.
I need a food.
Yes, you need a fruit. You are very hungry. That's why your stomach is making those noises. Okay, looks like you have some delicious fruits. So yummy. Nothing better than watching cartoons and eat some fruits. Wow, so cool. Hey, the Minion phone is ringing. And when the Minion phone rings, everything is gonna be fun.
Hello, Father? Woo! Shopping? Okay, I am coming.
Okay, looks like you're gonna go shopping. That's super good. Okay, let's prepare and go. Your jacket and you are ready. Haha, you're looking great. Okay, here we go to the... Hey, what's that? What happened? You have no wheels.
Where's my wheel?
Where are your wheels? Okay, let's call somebody.
Smart, I need help. Can you help me? Okay, good. I am waiting for you.
Okay, Ismat is coming to rescue. You're very kind, Ismat. Look at that great car. I love it. There you are, Fatima. Here is your help.
Hello. Hi.
Uh-oh.
Where's your wheel? Bilmiyorum. Menajere tabii hükümeyle. Okay, let's go.
Looks like you have to fix your car because you don't have any wheels. Okay, let's see. Under the chair, no. Inside the oven, no. Where are the wheels? No,
Uh-oh.
they are not there too. Behind the curtains? Hey, looks like Fatima found one wheel.
Yes.
Yeah, good job, Fatima. Come on, 3 more to go.
Aha.
Let's check the bathroom. What was that? No. Yeah! Here we have another wheel. Good job, Ismat. Now we have 2 wheels.
Come here, come here.
Oh, where are you going, Fatima? You want to show something to Ismat?
Father, you're just lucky. Let's go there.
Looks like Ismat knows where the wheels are. Let's check. And yeah! Very good, kids. Now we have 3 wheels. Almost done.
Next one.
Yes, let's go and try to find the last wheel we need. Under the pillow, no. Looks like Ismat knows. Yeah! And we have 4 wheels. Good work, kids. Okay, now it's time to put the wheels in the car.
Biz onları taktık. Gel başımız nerede?
Come on, let's go and fix the car right now. So lucky we found 4 wheels. And here we go. 1 wheel over here. Wheel number 2. 2 more to go. Come on. Wheel number 3. And the last wheel, and we're ready to go. Yes, and now the final details. Very good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you, Wismat. Bye-bye.
and the car is fixed. Now Fatima is ready to go to the shopping. Nice job, kids. Bye-bye, everybody. And don't forget to subscribe.